On the MushBuckets Pro website, in the menu, click on App. Then, select Register Now. Choose a username that has not yet been registered in the web application. Enter your email. Set a strong password with at least 8 characters, including at least 1 number and 1 special character. Accept the terms and conditions and click Create Account. Log in using the credentials you just registered. Initial setup. After the first login, a setup wizard will guide you through configuring your account. Space setup. Enter the name of your space or warehouse. Click Next. Incubation room. Enter the name of your incubation room. Depending on your subscription plan, you may have more than one room. Normally, I name mine Incubation 1. Click Next. Fruitification room. Enter the name of your fruiting room. Just like the incubation room, you may have more than one. Normally, I name mine Fruitification 1. Click Next. Mushroom species. Choose the mushroom species you want to grow. If you want to grow more than one species, you can add them later in the application. Click Next. Substrate. Choose the substrate you want to use. If you want to use more than one substrate, you can add them later in the application. Click Next. Treatment. I recommend writing None, as you can add other options later in the application. Click Next. Stimulation additive. I recommend writing None, as you can add other options later in the application. Click Next. Pasteurizing additive. I recommend writing None, as you can add other options later in the application. Click Finish to complete the setup and automatically access the dashboard. Subscription verification. In the menu, go to Subscription, then open the submenu and select My Subscription. Here, you will see that you are on the free plan, which allows you to create one space, your production site or warehouse. Create 2 rooms, one for incubation and one for fruiting. Have only one user associated with the account.